I have two cats, Kiki and Simba. Kiki is the elder one, she's 7 years old, and Simba is 5. They're the most important parts of my life. Both of them came into my life when I really needed them, and I can't imagine my life without them at all. I adopted Kiki from Blue Cross in Chennai, and Simba was a rescue someone I knew had put up for adoption. Like with every pet, my parents didn't want me to get a pet too, but from the moment Kiki came home, they've loved her, and then Simba. Kiki is an amazing cat. She knows when I'm anxious, she knows if I'm unwell. She'll come and sit next to me if I'm sleeping because I'm not well, if I'm running a fever. Simba is a mommy's boy. He'll always walk up to me in the night, sleep next to me, cuddle next to me. He's not stayed without either Kiki or me at all his whole life. The three of us are a family and we look out for each other always.